Stari!
Hello, beautiful one. It is Stari, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Today, we are going to do something really wonderful together. We are going to grow something magical. And the best part is, you do not need any soil or water or sunshine to grow it, because it grows right inside your heart. We are going to grow a kindness garden. Find a comfortable spot and settle in. Sit with your legs crossed or curl up somewhere warm and cozy. Let your body feel soft and relaxed and completely at ease. Close your eyes gently, like two little butterflies folding their wings. Take one slow breath in through your nose, filling up your tummy like a big soft balloon. And breathe out slowly through your mouth, letting your whole body get soft and settled and warm. Now, I want you to think of someone you love. It could be a friend, a family member, your pet, anyone whose face makes you feel warm and happy inside when you think of them. Can you see their face right now? Can you feel that warm, happy feeling in your chest when you think of them? That warm feeling right there in your chest. That is a kindness seed, and it has been living inside you all along. Every single person is born with kindness seeds inside them, and every time you do something kind, every time you share or help or smile at someone who looks sad, one of those seeds grows a little bit bigger. And today, we are going to help yours grow into something truly beautiful. Imagine that warm feeling in your chest is a tiny glowing seed. What color is it? Whatever color comes first is exactly right. Take a slow breath in, and as you breathe in, imagine giving that little seed some warm golden sunlight. Feel it growing just a tiny bit taller and stronger with your breath. And breathe out slowly. And as you breathe out, imagine giving it some gentle rain, soft and warm and nourishing. Your kindness garden is growing beautifully. Now think of one kind thing you could do today. It does not have to be something big. Maybe it is saying something nice to a friend, or helping someone who needs it, or just giving someone a really warm smile when they need one. Feel how good it feels just to think about being kind. That good feeling is real, and it belongs to you. Here is something magical about kindness that I want you to remember always. When you are kind to someone else, your own kindness garden grows bigger too. So being kind is actually one of the best things you can do for yourself as well as for others. Take one last slow breath in and imagine your whole kindness garden in full bloom, flowers in every color you love, soft and warm and completely beautiful. And breathe out slowly and send some of that warmth to the person you thought of at the beginning. Imagine it traveling from your heart all the way to theirs like a warm golden thread connecting you both. They might not know you just did that, but kindness travels in ways we cannot always see. Slowly start to notice the room around you. Wiggle your fingers gently. Wiggle your toes. Take one last beautiful breath all the way in and all the way out. Open your eyes slowly when you are ready and carry your kindness garden with you into everything you do today. You are one of the kindest, most wonderful people I know, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye for now, little one. It's Stari, always here when you need me.